Siemens Energy is a leading energy tech company focused on powering society and accelerating decarbonization. Dietmar Siersdorfer is the managing director of Siemens Energy here in the UAE and across the Middle East. He joins us now. Dietmar, thank you for coming. I want you to tell us about the Alliance for Industry Decarbonisation that you've been part of setting up.
The Alliance for Decarbonisation is an interesting journey that we started together with ARENA. It's bringing together companies that really want to do now something for the urgent problem that we have in the world to reduce CO2. So it's about partnering, coming together and setting up plans what we can do now in order to move this problem away out of the world and save CO2.
And what role do you see industry playing in the achievement of net zero?
I mean, industry is first of all one of the biggest contributors to CO2. More than 40% of the CO2 emissions come from industry. More than 30% of the energy is consumed also by industry. So that's something where we can really create an impact. But it's not an easy task because we have sometimes hard to abate industries like cement industry and steel industry, where it's not easy to get rid of the CO2. And that's why we formed this alliance to bring these people together, to join hands and to really do the impact, create the impact.
So you've said that you set up the alliance in August or September. It's not that long. Can you tell me which industries and which companies maybe are represented in the alliance?
Now we formed it in, the inauguration was actually in Bali at the G20 summit. That was the first outcome. And then at that time we had about in the tens of companies that joined us. In the meantime we are more than 30 and we have them from around the globe. They are here from the Middle East, they are from Europe, from Americas, from Asia. So it's really around the world, and it's companies that really want to drive now the impact. Companies like Petronas, like Enel, but also Taka here, for example. So just to name a few. And it's really exciting because we have every day or every week new applications where companies want to join us.
Okay, everybody seems to be working toward COP28, obviously. What is the target of the Alliance by COP28?
We had at COP27, we had the first inaugurational meeting with the MDs and with the high-level people from the companies, and we rolled out some first plans and some work streams that we are working on. And we have just now here in Abu Dhabi, we have the first review also with the companies. What are the plans? What do we want to do? And the idea is to have at COP28 in November, December this year, that we then show the world also the plans, what we have done and what we want to achieve as team, as collaboration team and as Decarbonisation Alliance.
So watch this space. Great, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.